Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Before us is this logarithmic expression, and which says if 3 log x base 8 plus 2 log 8 base x equals 7, find the value of x. Okay, what we just need to do here, which is a very simple thing, is let's first of all convert this to a base of 8. Okay, and how do we do that? First of all, let us write it out that 3 log x base 8 plus 2 log 8 base x equals 7. Okay, now what we just need to do now here is now say 3 log x base 8 plus, we will now say 2 log 8 base 8 over log x base 8 then equals 7. Now with this, now we've actually converted this x to a base of 8. So which means you will take the integral with the base of 8, and we take this base of 8, I will make it an integral with the base of 8. Now with this, now we can go much further to say that this is 3 log x base 8 now plus, now we know that in logarithm that whenever an integral and a base is the same, it means equals 1, which means log x base x equals 1. Okay, so here we have 2 times 1 over log x base 8 equals 7. Okay, so here now, since we now have this and this, let us now say let log x base 8 equals let us say a. Okay, all right, which means wherever you see log x base 8, you will replace it for a. So here we now say this is, from here now you can say this is 3a now plus, here remember this is 2 times 1, which is 2 over a equals 7. All right, now let us now linearize this expression, which means, okay, let us do like this, for which means here this is a, find the LCM. Here we have 3a raised to power 2 plus 2 equals 7. So in a nutshell, here we have 3a squared plus 2 equals cross multiply 7a. Okay, so this is the expression we'll be working with. Okay, so from here you can say this is 3a squared minus 7a then plus 2 equals 0. Now this has resulted to a quadratic equation. So here let's find our product. Here this will be plus 6a squared. So what will you multiply to give you 6, and you add to give you 7 minus 7? So here we should have minus 6a and minus a. Okay, when you multiply this, you get this. When you add, it gives you this. So here we have 3a squared minus 6a minus a plus 2, which means we are replacing minus 7a with these two factors we've gotten here. So let us collate. So here we have what will let us now factor out. Here we have 3a, now we have a minus 2, then minus 1, a minus 2. So to this regard, so here we have 3a minus 1 and a minus 2, which will definitely give us that a 3a minus 1 equals 0. So a here equals 1 over 3. And the same vein here, a equals 2. Okay, now let us now replace our a with this to get the value of our x. So here we have that log x base 8 equals, our a here is now 1 over 3. So in the same vein, this is same thing as saying log x base 8 equals 1 over 3 log 8 base 8. Take note, this is times 1. And since we have a base of 8 here, so what we just need to do here now is to bring back this law here, down here. So in the same vein here, we have that log x base 8 equals log 8 all to the power of 3 base 8. So here we cancel out. So our x now give us the cube root of 8 here, which is 2. So x equals 2. Now let us now look for the value of x when a is 2. So for here we have we see that log x base 8 equals 2. Okay, let us still know that this seems as 1. So here you have log x base 8 equals 2 log 8 base 8. So log x base 8 equals log 8 all to the power of 2 base 8. So here we cancel out. So our x here will now give us 8 raised to the power of 2, which is 64. So x is 2 or 64. Alright, this gives us the solution to this problem. Alright, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, and if you love this, ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I will be uploading on this channel in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Thank you, and God bless you.